Gusto mo bang ma-exempt sa income tax at minimum wage ng DOLE? Kailangan mo ng BMBE certificate. Kaya halika na, samahan mo akong mag-apply ng BMBE certificate sa DTI Online. Mag-login sa www.bmbe.dti.gov.ph. I-click itong BMBE services, click register, then dito na tayo sa BMBE eligibility checker. Ang iyon bang negosyo, ang assets o ari-arian ng iyong negosyo ay hindi lalagpas sa 3 million pesos? Yes. Ang iyong negosyo ba ay nagpoproseso, nagmamanufacture ng mga produkto at commodities katulad ng agro-processing? Ito ba ay trading and services na barangay-based? Yes. Is your business a branch, subsidiary, or division of a large-scale enterprise? No. Does your business provide services that are rendered or owned by natural persons who are duly licensed by the government? Katulad ng lawyer, accountant, doctor, or pharmacist? No. Ayan. Click proceed. Ayan na tayo sa business email registration. Enter your business email address. Re-enter your business email address. Then click submit. Success. A one-time password verification code has been sent to your registered business email address. So, punta tayo dun sa email. I-check ang verification code. I-enter ang verification code. Dito na tayo sa BMBE process. Registration process. I-type ang iyong business organization. Type of business organization. So, katulad sa akin, sole proprietor ako, pwede rin mag-register ang mga corporations, partnerships, and other foundation. Basta qualified sa eligibility ng BMBE. Name of business enterprise registered in your DTI, SEC, or CDA. Sa akin, Fabric Online PH online shop. Yan yung nasa DTI ko. Ang aking type of business organization ay sole proprietorship. Registered sa DTI. Then, i-click na yung next. Ayan, na-recognize na ako ng DTI. Nandiyan na yung aking registered business name. I-enter ang DTI business certificate number na makikita sa iyong DTI. Then, yung registration to DTI, registration date. Okay. Then select PSIC category. Nasa retail industry ako. Yung industry classification. Philippine Standard of Industry Classification. Wholesale or retail trade. Click next. BMBE. Name of owner or authorized representative. So, andyan, i-enter mo yung first name, middle name, last name of the owner. Gender. Business information. So, region, NCR. Select province. NCR 4th District kami, City of Taguig. Barangay Western Bikutan. Then, ilagay na lang yung street address. then zip code. Next, yung mobile number. Automatic na yung email address kasi verified niya na yan. Branches, if any. So, wala naman akong branch. Kung may branch ka, i-enter mo dyan. Is this a new business? Existing business na ako. Kung kakaka-register mo lang, i-click mo yung new. Then, i-click yung principal business activity is trading. Sorry. Social classification, able naman ang owner. Ilagay mo dito yung next, yung product lines or service na ino-offer mo. Tatanong din siya kung ang yung business ba ay nag-o-offer ng services ng mga professionals na may license sa PRC. No. Add your product line. Fabrics. Okay. Titinda ako ng fabrics. Then, other business, if any. No. Other business ko pa? Yes or no? Kung may other business ka, i-type mo ang other business. Dito na tayo sa total assets or your business in Philippine peso. So, land, wala akong land. Cash in bank. Tingnan mo dun sa iyong latest financial statements. Yung value ng land is exempted yan siya ha, exclusive. Hindi kasama sa 3 million pesos na computation of assets ang land. Equipment. Amount of inventories. Accounts receivable. Other assets pa kung meron ka pang other assets. Number of regular male employees. Kung ilan yung empleyado mong lalaki. Enter mo dyan. Number of regular female employees. Lagay mo rin dyan. Number of irregular or part-time male employees. Number of irregular or part-time female employees. Then click next. Okay, nandiyan na yung summary of business application natin. First name, business name, expiration date, yung business address. Reviewin lang kung tama yung mga detalye na iyong na-encode. Kung tama na lahat, i-click mo lang yung next. Kung gusto mo pang palitan yung ibang details, pwede kang mag-back. Okay, nag-back ako. Nilagyan ko yung house and building number. Okay. Kung meron ka nakalimutan, pwede ka namang mag-back. Okay, click next. Okay, na click next. Mabilis lang yan, depende sa iyong internet connection. Yan, waiting. Ayan, summary of BMBE application. Okay na siguro yan dahil na-review na natin. I-click itong box. Kung na-review mo na, click next. Okay, mag-agree ka ulit sa undertaking. By clicking on this box, you are consenting that you have read and understood and agreed to the above undertaking. Okay. Click mo na yan. Tapos, pwede nang i-download ang iyong certificate. Yeah, click yan, download certificate. Ayan na, meron na akong BMBE Certificate of Authority. Kung gusto mo mag-apply ng exemption sa income tax, dalhin mo iyang BMBE Certificate of Authority sa Bureau of Internal Revenue at magpa-update ng iyong records, registration records. Mag-fill up ng BIR Form 1905, pakita din niyang kopya ng iyong BMBE. Okay. Bilang BMBE entity, ikaw ngayon ay exempted na sa pagbayad ng minimum wage.